Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover your deleted Venmo wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you deleted your Venmo account and want to recover it, the process depends on how long ago the deletion occurred and whether Venmo has permanently removed your account data. So to do it, what you need to do is head over and open up a browser. Then here what you need to do is just simply on the search bar type in venmo.com/recover. Then you'll be redirected to the Venmo homepage. All you gotta do is here enter the email address and phone number associated with the deleted account and follow the prompts. This method is typically used for accounts that are frozen due to failed attempts, but it may also assist in account recovery as well. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is just simply go to your search bar, then type in Venmo Support Center. Then once your search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, that is the Venmo Help Center, and then all you gotta do is look for an icon that says chat with agent and simply tap on that and tell your situation to the agent, and they will provide you with the detailed instructions and be ready to provide necessary documents. You can also call Venmo support at 1-855-812-4430 or send an email to support@venmo.com explaining your situation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.